In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to a button in Brevo. Let's get started by opening a new tab and searching for Brevo. Once you've found the Brevo website, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you're new to Brevo, this is a great platform for creating and managing email campaigns, so getting comfortable with the interface will definitely pay off. Now that you've logged in, look over to the left sidebar. You're going to want to focus on the marketing section over there. Click on Campaign, which will open up a few options for you. Here, you can choose from an existing campaign, or, if you prefer, start fresh by creating a new one. Both options are pretty straightforward, but today we'll focus on working within an existing framework for simplicity. With your campaign open, turn your attention to the left-hand panel again. Over here, you'll find a tab labeled Blocks. This is where you can add various elements to your email template or campaign. What we're interested in today is the button content block. Simply drag and drop this button into your email canvas wherever you think it'll work best. It's a very intuitive process, and Brevo makes it super easy to customize your emails just the way you like them. Once you have your button in place, click on it. Doing this will pop open the button settings in that same left-hand panel. This is where you can have some fun by changing the default call to action text. Maybe you want your button to say, "Learn more," or "Shop now." The choice is yours. Remember, the message you choose here should entice your readers to click, so be sure to choose something compelling. After you've customized your button text, scroll a little further down in the left-hand panel to find the link settings. You'll want to expand this area to reveal more options. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Type of Link. Click this and select Absolute Link URL. This basically means that the button will direct your audience to any external web page of your choosing. It's the most straightforward way to link out to relevant content. Now, in the Link Target field, paste the full URL of the web page you want your button to link to. Make sure you're using the complete URL, starting with https://. For example, you might put in https www.example.com. Once you've pasted in the link, note that Brevo automatically saves this information for you. There's no need to hunt for a save button, which is a nice feature because it lets you focus more on the content than the logistics. And that's all there is to it. You've now created a clickable button in Brevo, complete with a link that will take your audience exactly where you want them to go. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.